Today, let's talk about set theory basics. Set theory is a fundamental concept in mathematics, so let's discuss about it. A set is a collection of objects. We can consider a set as a bag containing objects. We use capital A, B, C, D, etc. to denote sets, and we use A, B, C in lowercase letters to denote the elements belonging to these sets. We use this symbol A belongs to A if an element belongs to set A. And we use this symbol to indicate A does not belong to set A. Two sets are said to be equal if they contain the exact same elements. Now let's define what a subset means. A is a subset of B if for any x belongs to A, we have x belongs to B. It means that every element of A is also an element of B. The set A equals set B if and only if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A. A is a proper subset of B if A is a subset of B and A does not equal to B. If a set has a few elements, we can list them out using curly brackets like this, such as A equals 5, 6, 7 as a set. That means a set containing 5 and 6 and 7 only. But this is usually not the case. For example, if we have a set that contains a lot of numbers, then we cannot list them. Instead, we specify a set using its properties. For example, B is a set like this. We write it like this. The curly brackets stands for the set of. The vertical bar stands for such that. The equation is read like this. We read it as B is a set of all x such that x is an odd integer. Let's talk about union of sets. Given two sets A and B, we can merge them to form a set that consists of all the elements of A together with all the elements of B. This set is called the union of A and B and is denoted by A union B. Formally, we define A union B as the set of all x such that x belongs to A or x belongs to B. Let P and Q be two statements. In English, P or Q may have different meanings. It may mean P or Q or both, and P or Q but not both. The former one is inclusive OR, while the latter one is exclusive OR. If you know some logic, we adopt inclusive OR as the meaning of OR in logic and math. For example, let A be a set containing 1, 2, 3 only, and let B be a set containing 2, 3, 4 only. Then A union B is the set containing 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means we merge them together. Now let's talk about intersection of sets. Given sets A and B, we can form a set that takes the common part of A and B. This set is called the intersection of A and B and is denoted by A intercept B. Formally, we define A intercept B as a set that the set of all x such that x belongs to A and x belongs to B. For example, let A be a set containing 1, 2, 3 only, and B containing 2, 3, 4 only, and then A intercept B is the set containing 2 and 3 only, since 2 and 3 are the elements that they share in common. So let's talk about empty sets. Think about what if the sets A and B has no elements in common. So to solve this problem, we define an empty set to be a set having no elements. We denote it by this symbol. Then A intercept B is equal to an empty set. Now let's talk about the difference of two sets. Given sets A and B, we define a set having those elements in A that are not in B. Formally, we write that A backslash B is the set of all x that x belongs to A, but x does not belong to B. It's called the complement of B relative to A. For example, let A be a set containing 1, 2, 3 only, and B be a set containing 2, 3, 4 only. Then A backslash B equals to a set containing 1 only. That's the end of this video. If you find this video interesting, you can consider subscribe my channel, like my video, and comment down below. See you in next video. Thank you for watching.